Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today we're going to make a hamburger from pork tenderloin. Now you're going to need a nice pork tenderloin, which we're going to cut 4 pieces, each piece around an inch thick. Lay them out on the cutting board and smash each one until they become nice and thin. Let's add some salt and some pepper on both sides. Now we're going to cook them on an electric grill, medium to high heat, and we're going to cook them for around 2 minutes on each side. As soon as each side is done, we're going to want to brush on some barbecue sauce. We're going to toast our buns on the inside until they become golden brown. 1 slice of cheddar cheese, and I always put it at the bottom of the bun. And on top of the cheese, the pork tenderloin with barbecue sauce. Some onions. A nice juicy slice of tomato, a couple of pieces of iceberg lettuce, and at the bottom of the top bun, 2 nice scoops of mayonnaise. And there you have it, a delicious pork tenderloin burger. Και καλή σας όρεξη!